You know, as a founder and for a lot of business owners, getting a loan or a home loan is a real challenge. Fortunately, on the vlog today, my next guest might actually have a solution for you. All right, guys, we are back here on the vlog. We have Aston Financial here. We have Dimitri and Arthur. Guys, welcome to the vlog.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You've seen your faces around the building. We've caught up a bunch of times offline. It's great to have you here. We feel very privileged to have people like yourselves in the space. Talk to me a little bit about, well, not me, but tell my audience a little bit about Aston Financial and a little bit about what you guys do. And
So Aston Financial, we've been around for about a year and a half.
Yep.
We're both ex-commercial bankers, so we both come from ANZ, a bit of Westpac for Arthur as well.
Yep.
Essentially our niche is self-employed clients. We love helping self-employed clients.
Yep. That's a huge challenge, by the way. During COVID, I'll be honest with you, during COVID, I went and remortgaged from Westpac to ANZ for a couple of reasons. And I'm self-employed. I am above the threshold, I'm above the threshold in terms of like, no, you are self-employed. You're not just a small shareholder. And it created a lot of problems. Now I got through it and everything was great, but it's not easy. So a lot of people, and I've seen it, I think there was a post most recently, I must try and bring it back up on LinkedIn and tag you guys into it, where a founder was trying to rearrange their personal finances and they were getting roadblock after roadblock because they are self-employed.
Through COVID, sorry Arthur, through COVID there was all these additional requirements that all the banks, which made it so difficult. The great thing is now is that we're coming sort of more out of COVID, barring any outbreaks or anything, but we're seeing a lot of the majors and a lot of the second tiers actually removing these additional requirements and making it easier for self-employed clients.
The banks haven't really offered a streamlined solution to self-employed. And that's where Dimitri and I, with our experience in commercial banking, thought, where can we come in and what can we actually offer clients to streamline their solution and not need to go to a bank or go to a lender and say, here's who I am, what do I need? And be drip-fed information, a request. So we're on the front foot, everything gets requested up front. And everything gets streamlined through our digital processes.
Yeah, super cool. And so you're working obviously with major banks and the relationship, you're also working with second tier lenders.
So we obviously got your majors, you've got your second tiers, we've got access to private money as well, like private lenders. And there's roughly about 40, 50 lenders we're currently dealing with, which is great because we're not pigeonholed to one bank.
I love that.
More often than not, we can find a solution for a client. You'll find a lot of brokers out there, when they see self-employed, they get a bit, it's a bit scary. Because we're ex-commercial banks, we've got that experience. When we see trust and companies and this and that, we love it.
Great. So to my audience out there, if you have hit some roadblocks around trying to get a home loan or a car loan or a
commercial loan,
equipment, or even commercial for your entity, perhaps Aston has a solution for you, if not multiple solutions for you. And to those founders that are, they're well funded via their venture capital, and they're looking to now make a purchase on a home or other types of big items to purchase, maybe reach these guys to sort of help you navigate which I personally found to be quite a bit of red tape. We were talking earlier around the upfront aspect of it. You guys have got a system or some tech or a format?
Correct. So we spent a lot of time looking at where the real challenges are in an application. It would be the initial information that's requested up front, the information that the bank might come back and request at a second or third point, and the process throughout. How do we actually streamline this, and where do we iron the kinks out? So what we've implemented is full digital approach to our applications. So everything's online. Your links for your statements are all done online. Your information's all uploaded through a portal online. We see it all, and we know what is there and what isn't there and what's missing. That way, when it actually goes to a bank and to a lender, we can meet the criteria, the matrix, and essentially built into our system a pre-approval, and we know we know what the requirements are. We know what the banks and lenders are going to ask. Essentially, if we meet the matrix, we give you a competitive edge and an advantage to getting an approval with the banks. So the banks see it in a more of a favourable manner, rather than saying, how come you didn't provide this and why is this missing? Everything's transparent up front, and it just streamlines the whole process.
Yeah, so you're dressed up, ready to go to battle, dare I say.
Sometimes it is a battle.
We love and respect, but you're dressed up with all the information, it's all there. I like it, guys. So like, I think this speaks to a lot of people here in this audience, not only founders, but business owners, and people that are looking to do some really cool things with maybe some of the success, or alternatively, now that they're on a relatively stable run rate with their income. Dimitri and Arthur, I'm gonna link all the details below. Is there anything they should or shouldn't know?
I mean, there's usually not a solution that we can't help a client out with. So we always find there's usually a lender out there that will buy it depending on, the requirements. But just, let us see what we can do, and let's see who's out there that's willing to help out. Everyone's out there is ready to lend out money. There's so many lenders for a reason. So if we come across something, we're more than likely able to assist.
And I believe that the rates are at an all-time low at the moment.
Crazy.
Wow.
So there's
Crazy.
no better time.
Absolutely crazy.
No better time. These guys are pretty cool. I'm really appreciative of you coming on.
Thanks for having us.
I hope that we can help some of the audience here
Definitely.
with some of this stuff. Yeah. Guys, details in the below. You've met Dimitri and Arthur. That's it for now. See you on the next one.